Hi, I'd just like to take this opportunity to show you how to construct a flag and to show you some of the bases that we can offer. First of all, the pole comes in two parts. It's a fibre pole. You simply connect the two together, thread the flag sleeve over the pole. In the kit, you'll receive a bungee ball which you slot through the eyelet in the flag. You simply pull that down until it reaches the connector up at the bottom, and you slot the bungee cord into there, and that's your flag constructed. Quite easy. Regarding bases, each flag kit comes supplied with a basic ground spike. This has a swivel plastic spigot on. You knock the spike into the ground, place that over there, slot your flag on top, which will then rotate in the direction of the wind. There is another ground spike available that has the spigot on. With harder ground, you can knock it in from there, and you can also whack it out from the base if there's any issues. Perhaps the most popular base is the water fill or sand fill base. You fill this, it's about 35 litres. It's very heavy and can be used for any size of flags. There is a smaller version for the small and medium-sized flag, which is about 22 litres. Another useful base is the metal base. There's two versions, a 7 kilogram and a 12 kilogram. There are rubber feet on the bottom, which can be removed if you still want that smaller profile. And the idea of this is it can be used indoors and outdoors, and it's certainly less possibility of somebody bumping into it or tripping over it that you would do with a heavier base. Other than that, one of the other more popular bases is a car base. You simply drive the car over the base, which puts enough weight on to hold the flag in place. And again, you have the rotating spigot. Very useful again for outdoor events where you can actually take a vehicle and park, or indeed car sales rooms, forecourts, etc. So that's your basis. Thank you very much.